We're in Abingdon. We're about 6 miles north of Oxford. We're moored just past the lock, and we've just been for a meal. Very nice meal.
And it's 10 o'clock at night. And it's really
10 o'clock
nice,
at night, and it's still really light, and it's lovely though. It's kind of warm. It's pleasant.
What's this in aid of?
Well, it's really sort of a welcoming speech, really, at the start of this little.
Are you doing a documentary?
I'll give you a fucking welcoming speech.
We need to conjure up some water sounds. Well, you can hear water in the background. You can hear. In fact, when I first turned it on, I thought, what's that? It really irritating noise, and it's that water. It's weir.
You haven't introduced yourself.
Oh, I'm Stephen. Oh yeah, I'm Stephen, and I'm going to just do some recordings of people over the weekend. You know, hilarious stuff like when Cliff's asleep, stick under his nose and get him snoring. Where is
Cliff?
Where is Cliff? Hang on. Right, hang on. I'm standing up now. This is a big fucking fuck-off boat. Am I not allowed to rock it? He's not there. I've walked down it. Right, this is how long it takes to walk down the boat. Hang on. 1, 2, this is how many steps. Right, I'm starting at the very stern bow or starboard or whatever it's called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's 20 steps down the boat, guys. Amazing.
Hi, my name's George. George Bex Martin.
So, have you got permission to board this vessel?
Yeah, I've got something in my pants.
Do you need direction?
He does,
mate?
yeah. I felt a bit reluctant about doing it on the first night, but I felt, also that it was somehow necessary that I should to, break the tradition.
And what are you actually doing? I mean, it's,
I'm doing a quiz.
This is a podcast, mate.
sake.
You can't.
I'm doing a quiz. Look, there it is. Can you see that?
No, you can't see it. It's a podcast.
Right, question 1.
Tom, read that question again, really fucking quickly, mate. Go on. Read it again.
Have we got teams?
Don't need
You don't need teams for this quiz, Cliff.
Go on, read it again.
Some of you will be tucking into some delicious barbecued sausage meat this afternoon, but where do the sausages come from? Geese, pigs, cows, sheep, horses, all of the above, or hens.
Do we get to taste them?
But where do you have these sausages?
What's going on?
When did you have them?
Pigs.
Well, you said this afternoon. Where did you?
His barbecue. Pigs.
Yeah, 3 years ago, like I said.
Yeah.
Sea cows.
Sea cows?
Sea cows.
Manatee, yeah?
Sea cows.
They were geese frankfurters, that was it.
Question 2.
Oh my god,
I want to know the answer to question 1.
I don't want to know what I enjoyed.
Sheep.
Oh, I thought they had a bit of sheep.
Question 2. Sheep. Is that the question?
Probably.
Question 3. Concrete. Question 4. 53. Question 5. Okay, I did it.
6 only on Tuesdays.
Right, moving on with the barbecue quiz.
What? Question number 2. I'm sorry, it's dark now.
Yeah.
Well, maybe.
What's he on about? Get on with it, man.
What would you be most likely to encounter at a vegan barbecue?
Sea cow.
Go
on.
On the list.
What are the answers?
Cheeseburgers, nut roast, corn, or Allen Ball.
Alan Ball.
I reckon Paul.
Corn cheeseburger, please, Bob.
Oh, thanks, thank you, thanks, Si.
Tom,
The answer is
am I having an out-of-body experience or something? What is the fuck
just
is
not
going
taking
on?
it seriously.
How can we take it seriously?
Well, you're supposed to be in
never heard
teams
the likes
and
of it.
guessing at the
Right,
answer.
we've got teams. Us and them.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll come back to it tomorrow.
and him.
We'll get into teams and,
We're divided.
I think we should finish it now. But
well, I don't know.
No, we have to go on with this.
Sausages.
Who eats the most sausage products? Is it accountants,
When you
cowboys,
say sausage
Eskimos,
products, do you mean
Mormons, Germans, or vegans?
Question number 6. Am I really alive?
At what point should I feel justified in saying 5 crates? Ow.
Well, I suppose in a way it was like a case of crate expectations, wasn't it?
Rubbish.
We're in a lock now, aren't we?
The guy said to us, "Good morning."
Here it comes.
Oh, blimey, we're going upwards, aren't we? Oh my God, we really are.
The wall to the other side was at level. The wall to the other side of that is up high. So this is going to raise us up.
Carry on.
Open that door, and we can just go straight out at the same level.
Yeah, I'm going to put my sun cream on in a minute.
I've never been in one. I'm just recording this because I've never been in one of these. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Well,
Fantastic pieces of engineering.
yeah. I suppose at some point someone just kind of thought, oh, I know.
Leonardo da Vinci, in fact.
Was it really?
He was the first one.
What year was
devised
that?
the lock system. They didn't build any, but he did all the plans.
Oh, he just imagined it up, thought of it.
So they didn't have locks prior to Da Vinci. So like not in sort of.
This boat actually just about fits in this lock, doesn't it? It's probably the longest.
Look.
Well, it's the longest bloody one, isn't it?
It is a big boat, yeah.
Can you guide us through what this is now Saturday night?
I thought you recorded.
Guide us through what happened when the bloke came along who you'd never met before and brought your food to you. You had soup plus a main deal.
I had a vegetable soup and a tuna niçoise, which for those of you who don't know is a salad tuna with green beans.
What else?
And a few
What else is in it?
That's it. Oh yeah, and a poached egg.
Roast egg. And maybe some black peppercorns.
So I had my vegetable soup and my tuna niçoise, and just as he was walking away, he said, "The greedy bastard."
No, he didn't say as he was walking away. He said, "Well,
Did he?
was here."
Yeah, I thought he, when he turned
He
around.
said it-
He made a point.
He said it to your face, Tom. He really did say
He
it.
actually looked you in the eye and said
It wasn't
Yeah.
some
No,
passing
it's
comment.
outrageous.
Yeah.
Now, Matt,
I'm extremely
before
angry.
dinner there was a rather interesting incident. Now, there are children present, so how are you going to describe it? Basically, this guy...
I saw nothing.
Well,
You're
Pete-
talking to
actually,
the wrong
Pete-
person.
Pete. I'm trying not to sway, but I can't stop swaying.
Can we be rude?
I've just been in the loo and really swaying, like, because of the boat. Really swaying, yeah.
You're still moving now, actually.
Yeah. Well, that's because I'm kind of,
Is that the
manoeuvring up for this story.
Is that the motions?
Yeah.
Motions in the toilet.
Yeah, motion sickness. Yeah, very funny. Yeah, motion sickness. So what happened?
Well, I was proceeding in a southerly direction.
So was he. Yeah. Oh, hang on, I'll get you the story from her. Right, love. Yeah. So yeah, because we moored up near an abbey, an old abbey, didn't
That's
we?
right, more up near an old abbey, and I.
So did he.
I was
So did he.
It's actually a nunnery.
Was it?
I said to her, get
an old
into
Abbey,
a
Abbey,
nunnery.
as in Abbey Titmus, yeah. That old Abbey. It's hard to break the Abbey.
No, I noticed there was a couple having a picnic in the corner as I was wandering around. I noticed
Picnic indeed.
Yes, I think they were picking
Hamper.
something. Yes.
Actually,
And they disappeared behind the wall. They're blonde hair with little pigtails.
Yeah. Yes, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah, he was
I
hanging
in
on to
there.
them, wasn't he?
Yeah.
She was on the. As you go in, she was on the.
Yeah, as you
right,
go in,
that's
she
right.
was what?
But I didn't see anyone else there though.
Yeah, she was going. And then they went round one side of the wall as I made my way out.
Yeah.
Innocently, I turned to look in her direction, and she had her hands against the wall, and he was just pulling down her leggings at that moment in time as I turned the corner, and they dived away very embarrassed. So I didn't actually see anything of any great significance other than the fact they were just about to enter into an arrangement.
Maybe it was Abbey Titmus.
And then a couple of minutes later, it appears that they thought that Pete had gone off,
yes.
and then Cliff turned up.
Yeah, and I sort of started taking photographs of them and
No, what did you
pass
see?
to the news
What
of
did
the world.
you see?
No, I
Did
saw
you
them-
see the whole of the moon?
No, I saw yes. very good. I said to
You
bang
saw
her
it?
drum.
Did you see it? You saw it?
I saw the incident from afar, and I just kind of diverted my eyes.
To
Really.
make sure. So you saw the motion.
I saw the actual. I won't sort of.
You saw the glorious moment of lovemaking, did you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it was-
Right, I'm going to go and interview the woman now. What do you think? No, we can't do that. You can't embarrass them.
No, she talks. Oh, sorry, I just don't recognise the back of someone.
Who do you want to interview?
I can't believe you're going to do this. You're a grown man. I can't believe
Do it. It's priceless. You've got to do it. You'll regret it.
Excuse me. He was a grown man.
No, Phil McCracken.
No, Phil McCavity.
Yeah, Phil McCracken.
Oh dear.
Oh, good one. Yeah, all right. Yeah, Phil McCracken. Yeah, good. All right.
Sorry, go on.
Yeah, it's true. It is a slowly swirl.
But it's best eaten slowly, isn't it?
Slowly
Quite
swaz.
works, is it?
Tom the Swaz.
What about a sea cow?
There's a pun in there somewhere.
Sea cow and toast.
Go on, you tell it. You tell
No,
it.
you tell it.
tell it.
No, you tell it.
Okay, you tell it.
I love
No,
the.
I was wrong. I've been rubbish.
All right. How can you tell when George is in a good mood? Did you not hear this earlier, Tom?
Did you not hear it?
No.
Ah,
It's completely-
how do you know when George is in a good mood?
George.
Not George. George.
What, like Zippy. George is always in a good mood.
How can you tell when
Zippy
George
is the
in a
one
good
who's
mood?
not
He goes,
in a good mood.
George?
And Jeffrey just kind of looks a bit exasperated. But George is always in a good mood.
Dun, dun, dun,
You do it.
dun, dun,
Dun,
dun,
dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
You missed it. We said, what about the sea cows? And he said, I didn't say sea cows. I went,
Sea.
A chickens.
A chickens. B pork. C cows.
Sea cows.
Sea cows. Maybe it's
It could have
pork
been
sea cows.
seahorses.
No,
Could have been
yes,
seahorses.
seahorses. Yes. Seahorses.
Sea
Manatees.
That would have worked. Sea hens.
Sea sheep.
Sea lions.
See all of
See
the
dead
above.
people.
What do you mean,
See all of the above.
Yes.
The irony.
It's turning to Bill Grundy's show now. Yeah, anyway.
Oh no, you just trying to.
You fucking rotter.
Yeah, go on, you just go on.
Go on. Fucking rotter. You dirty.
No, go on, you've got 10 seconds.
Go
Say
on.
something really outrageous.
And then you got Susie.
The irony was, Tom, that today we did actually see some cows standing in the water, so they were almost sea cows, not river cows, weren't they?
And he said they
sea
weren't
cows.
sea cows.
It was an anal cow cruise, wasn't it?
It
Yeah.
was at one point, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was. It was.
And then we saw the Peter couch.
Can I
Yes.
just say that we crashed today? We actually crashed the boat today.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Simon
did?
Hutchins driving.
It's good.
Another top day navigation.
I was driving without due care and attention.
I'm very proud of you. Ooh.
It's a peacock.
What? Did you say that really carefully, just in case you said big dog's cock? By mistake.
Suppose you fuck
You
face.
didn't. Sorry?
Yeah, imagine someone discovered some tapes from that night and he actually did say it. That'd be brilliant, wouldn't it?
I'll go and find the girl.
I'm not going to go and find the girl.
Let me-
No,
let me-
don't
You're
you
going to so
dare.
regret it.
This belongs to the corporation, this microphone. You can't sully it with, like, well, mind you, where's it going to go?
Where did the sausages come from? Geese, pigs, cows, sheep, horses, all of the above, or hens.